The first look on this set is a burst of color. The custom keys and the dynamic combination of purple and teal create an immediate visual impact. This set also comprises a total of 142 keys, a well-rounded number that caters to various layouts. These keycaps are also crafted from durable PBT material with 5-sided dye sublimation, ensuring longevity and resistance to wear and tear. Now let's talk about the price. The KDS Arcade IA is an affordable option priced at $45. It's a competitive offer for a set that not only delivers on the visual front, but also brings the touch of customization. This keycap profile feels like a combination of XDA and cherry profile. The surface of the keycaps are curved similar to the XDA, but the height variation is more like cherry. It's a unique blend that translates into a comfortable and enjoyable typing experience.